So my point is, if we're discussing elemental spectroscopy, there are some interferences to this test. So number one is that we do have to dilute your sample to turn it into an aerosol. Well, what if it doesn't dissolve in the diluent, right? The solvent that we're using. So sometimes we have to change up the solvent, and that can affect the accuracy of the test because it's not been calibrated or set up for that particular solvent. But another one is water. Water will cause that plasma to sputter. Water does ionize, right? We'll see it, but it causes the plasma to sputter. So now if the plasma is wiggling, imagine how much harder it is for us to get an accurate measurement. But the joke I always make about this is if you've got so much water in your sample that we can't get an accurate elemental spectroscopy, there's your problem. High water content. Don't worry about what your worm metals are doing until you get rid of the water.